Shine bright like a diamond, oh, shine bright like a diamond, oh. Yo, what up? It's your boy Ashiraf and I'm back again. I've just gotten out of bed and I feel like I should teach you this training. So, shine bright like a diamond, beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Okay, now we are not going in the sky, we are just right here to learn this and shine like diamonds, okay? So we are just right here on the dance floor, we are not in the sky. Let's get into it. So the first move, remember, this is my left, this is my right. So we start with the arms cross, okay? Push it to the side, hit your hip, roll, okay? 5, 6, 7, we go. Cross, push, hit, roll. 5, 6, 7, we go. Cross, push, hit, roll. After rolling, you go 1 and 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, we go. Cross, push, hit, roll. 1 and 2. Nice. After that, you go like this. 1, you bring it back. 2, you bring it back. Okay? 5, 6, 7, we go. Boom, ta, hit, roll. 1 and 2, and boom, and boom. Okay? And then you bring it back to the center. After that, you hit to the side. You step with your right. So it's ta, okay? 5, 6, 7, we go. Boom, ta, okay? 5, 6, 7, we go. Ta, 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 ta. So it's ta, 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 ta. So you go ta, 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 ta. Nice. From the top again. 5, 6, 7, we go. Boom, ta, ta. Roll. 1 and 2, we go. Up, down, we go. Ta, 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 Okay, after that, so this is a training move right now. You go up, that side, 5, 6, 7, we go. Up, side, do this. Yeah, you know what that means? Throw it away, okay? 5, 6, 7, we go. Woo, ta, 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 ha, then, nice. Okay, let's try it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. Boom, ta, ta, 1 and 2, we go. And 2, we go. Boom, ta, 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 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice. So we are here on the 4th count. We go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Nice. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, you go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And then we move forward 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? You drop it up and then ta, 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 ta. And then you shine like a diamond. Okay, let's try it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. Boom, ta, hit, roll, down, and down we go. Up, down, side, and ta, ta, up, side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 1 and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ta, 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 ta. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, we go. Boom, ta, ta. Roll 1 and 2, we go. Up, down, we go. 1, 2, ta, ta, we go. Ta, 1, 2, we go for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yo, so that's it. Go shine like a diamond in the sky. Okay, see you in the next video.